Of course, it's January. We are going to eat githeri. Pun intended. Anyway, guys, so in this video, I am going to share my meal prep for January. This is githeri mixed with groundnuts and maize. So what I'll do is that I will boil the three of them together. The groundnuts actually give it a nice taste and twist. And we are using the electric plate on the cooker. Yeah. And then the next thing that we are going to prep is these veggies. So these veggies, I got them at about 230 shillings. A bunch of them goes for 30 bob. So I got spinach, I got managu, I got terere, and then I got saga. Yeah, it's called saga. This one is called saga. And so I will just be preparing them and also boiling them together, actually blanching them, because I just boiled them for about maybe 5 minutes or so. These are the mbogas when they have all been prepared and they are ready for the boiling. For the spinach, I was eating it for the day. So yeah, I'll cut it up later and cook it in cream. And after all the hard work, this is what we have as the leftovers. I wish I was in Ushago. Our cows could have really enjoyed. And then I got this ndumas that I got from the village. I came with them from home. I hope they are good, guys. Crossing my fingers. And then now this water is going to boil my mboga. So what I do, I boil the water and then I put in salt and then I blanch the mbogas for about 2-3 minutes. So guys, we are done with our first prep of the day, and this is what we have. Smokies kidogo confuse January, then we have the mbogas boiled, then we have the beans boiled. Githeri is not here, but it is somewhere. My top is kadogo, so it's somewhere. I have also already boiled it, so I'm just going to close them up and put them in the fridge. So guys, just to be clear, this is the following day that I have done all these things, and here is me stocking up everything in the fridge.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
I haven't yet bought the Ziploc bag, so I'm going to use this cling film to pack these ndumas and kwashes. So a couple of them were good and some of them were not good, so I discarded the bad ones and packed the good ones. This one will take me maybe for this month. Also I have some other cereals, so I don't have to eat these ones every day. I have some cereals and some other things that I bought. You'll see them at the end of this video.
I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing.
For these green peppers, I'm drying them completely so that they don't go bad. I don't know, when you store them when they are wet, they tend to go bad. Then I'll wrap them in cling film. And also for the carrots, I'll put them in tins. The ones that remain, I also wrap them in cling film. And also I have some lemons that I will also be putting in the fresh compartment. And then you will see how I prepare my ginger to freeze it for future use also in this video. So I had this milk. This is fresh milk and mala. So my sister is around and she also, like me, likes the mala. That's why I'm buying it. And that cooking cream, guys, hey, nitaiwacha jamani, it is too expensive. Again, some sausages to confuse the fridge again. So I'm packing them in 4s. Yeah, because we are 2 people, so 2 are enough for each day. So I'm packing them in 4s. Yes, so let's do this.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
It's unbelievable how these very little things that we buy cost really a lot of money. So this Weetabix was 100 bob. This one I don't remember the price per se. Same to this one, but it was, I don't know, 200 and something bob. I don't remember it very well. So those are white oats and cornflakes, and then this is cocoa powder. So I bought this because, yeah, you know, these are sachet things, they cost a bit less and they are a bit more, so I'll transfer them into tins later. And then this Prestige, I normally use it mainly for making mandazi. And then I love coffee, and Nescafe is not buyable, so we bought this Shiriki. And then I bought these 2 sachets of Dormans. I'll try it, and if I like it, I'll buy it again. Then we have this Valon lotion for me, and this nice and lovely lotion for my sister. And then I bought this milk powder, so I want to try out and see if it will last me a month. If it does, then I'll be buying it going forward. It cost me 1,200 shillings. And this glue is for my art. And guys, believe it or not, the total of these things was about 3,000 shillings. So these tins, I bought them at Kamkunji for 500 shillings for the 3 of them. I needed some tins to store some extra cereals that I bought. And yeah, this is what we have, and this is everything together. This is a whole 3,000 plus shillings. Guys, tunaelekea wapi na hii uchumi jamani? And I am on the minimal side. I've just bought the things that I need, like the things I really need. And the mangoes that you saw earlier, so this is them blended up. Again, the fridge to be confused. I mean, like, saizi ni season ya maembe, so every day we are going to have mango juice. The other juice is pineapple. So I just blended the pineapples. I didn't sieve them up. After it sits for a while, the juice actually separates itself. And so this is me now preparing my ginger. So the first thing that I do is I wash it up, and then I grate it. Yes, so I don't actually separate the skin from the ginger. I just wash it up nicely, and then after washing it, I blend it, and then I freeze it. And then after freezing, I divide into small cubes, and then I keep it in tins, and you'll see that at the end of this video. So let's listen to some music.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. the pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
Tomatoes in the estate are normally very expensive for me, so I buy mine from the market. So these ones are the ones they call bondeka. They are not bad, they are just mashed up. So those ones I make them into a paste. I also got some sugar cane, and I also have some tomatoes that are not mashed up, they're just normal tomatoes. So all of these tomatoes cost me 150 shillings, and the sugar cane was 40 bob. So I will cook up the mashed ones, and you'll see them in a later video. And then this sugar cost me 160. If you're in Embakasi, there is a grocery shop that sells these at a very good price near Walalo. It's up or near Think Twice. You can go and check it out. I normally buy my sugar from there. And guys, so these are the tomatoes once I have cooked them. So I just fry them in with onion and some ginger and some garlic, and they are ready to use. So this is how I divide it up in these tins. They are single use tins, so once I remove the paste, I don't return it back to the freezer. I just remove it and use it at once. And also I got this maize. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much. You can share your tips on how you save up. For me, I go to the market, I buy everything from the market, and I buy some other things from wholesale shops, especially the sugar. So thanks for watching, and God bless you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.